Hello, today we have a wonderful restored 1962 Mercedes-Benz 190 SL Roadster. They don't come to us often like this. A lot of time and money has been spent to bring it to this condition. It is absolutely excellent throughout, and we're going to take it for a ride. Come along. You want to come along? You should come along. Alrighty, well, she's all warmed up, and we're going to join cars on the boulevard on our way to our wonderful flyby area. This 190 SL has been collector owned with a client of ours in Atlanta for many years. As you can see from the write-up, it was restored down there by one of the best. Wonderful cars to cruise around town, go to the golf club, tennis club, actually have room for some luggage, great tour cars, and wonderful horn. You know, obviously, oh, great brakes. Reminiscent of the 300 SL, so a smaller version. Some might call it, well, no one's calling it fitted luggage, but I think it could be fitted luggage for a 300 SL or Gullwing. They are great looking. It was restored at great expense. They're a lot of bang for the buck. Cool sun visors. Let's take it on the back roads and the twisties a little bit. They're not going to set any land speed records, but they are a lot of fun to drive. They cruise on the highway with the best of them. They're just really, they're just fun cars. So a lot of bang for the buck. Cool cars, fun cars, beautiful cars. And they're bulletproof. I mean, if you find a good one that has been restored properly, that has great bones, and has been done properly mechanically, they are really bulletproof and require very little maintenance. They're just workhorses. Uh-oh, over the railroad tracks.
I mean, this 190 was completely restored, so keep in mind, everything is new on this car.
They're fun 4-speed manuals. They have great brakes. This has got a modern retro radio, great dash layout, cool weekend car, tour car. They speak for themselves. So as we cruise the back roads of Huntington, Jason can give you a little bit of the car's history. Jason,
Yeah.
please, by all means.
Well, hopefully the mic is picking me up, but you know, one important thing to keep in mind, this car is a fresh restoration. It was completely restored by mark specialists. It's an absolute joy to drive, as you can see. It presents wonderfully. It's just as comfortable on the concours lawn as it would be going to a local Cars and Coffee or a local Mercedes-Benz club, you know, get together. It's absolutely wonderful. I think the color is fantastic. 190s look great in red.
Any other color that suits your needs or wishes and wants?
I think red suits this car very well. Of course, silver arrow is a classic color that always looks good in Mercedes of any vintage, but I think red sets it apart.
We're going to jettison Jason for our flybys now. I hope you guys enjoyed the flybys. It wasn't blazingly fast. If you're of my generation, It was more like blazing saddles. Little horsey power, but not a lot of horsey power. But as I've said along the road test video, it is an amazing amount of fun, and it is beautiful to look at. So we're going to bring it back to the homestead, clean it up, go through the whole car to make sure it's turnkey for the next owner. And I've got to thank you for watching the video. Jason, you should thank them for watching the video also.
Thanks everyone for watching our video. See ya.
See ya.